The journey of canned tuna begins at the docks, where fishing boats unload their recent catches. These boats, having braved the vast and unpredictable ocean, return with their holds brimming with tuna. These boats have been at sea for days or even weeks, their holds filled with the ocean's bounty. The crew, seasoned and skilled, work tirelessly to ensure the catch is as fresh as possible. As the sun rises, workers spring into action, eager to process the tuna at its peak freshness. The early morning light casts a golden hue over the docks, adding a sense of urgency and purpose to their tasks. Forklifts whir and conveyor belts hum, transporting the massive fish into the processing facility. The machinery, a marvel of modern engineering, ensures that the tuna moves swiftly and efficiently through the initial stages of processing. The air buzzes with anticipation as the transformation from ocean dweller to pantry staple begins. Each worker knows their role and performs it with precision, contributing to the seamless operation of the factory. The arrival of the tuna marks a critical point in the process. It's a race against time to preserve the fish's quality and flavor. Speed and efficiency are crucial to maintain the quality of the fish. The workers, with practiced hands, sort and process the tuna with remarkable speed. Every minute counts as workers expertly weigh, sort and prepare the tuna for the next stage of its journey. Their expertise ensures that each fish is handled with care and precision. The factory operates with a sense of urgency and precision. A well-oiled machine driven by the desire to deliver the best possible product to consumers worldwide. The coordination between man and machine is a testament to the efficiency of the process. The scent of the sea, a mix of salt and fish, permeates the air, a constant reminder of the journey these tuna have taken. This aroma, a blend of the ocean and the factory, signifies the beginning of the tuna's transformation into a product that will be enjoyed by many. Once inside the facility, the tuna are moved to processing lines. Skilled workers, armed with sharp knives, work quickly and efficiently. They first remove the head and tail, then slice the tuna into manageable sections. This step requires a keen eye and steady hand, ensuring each cut maximizes usable meat while minimizing waste. The factory floor is a scene of controlled chaos, a symphony of clanging metal, rushing water, and the rhythmic movements of experienced hands. The removed heads, tails, and other unusable parts are not discarded but carefully collected. These byproducts find new life as valuable ingredients in animal feed, fertilizers, and other applications. The tuna industry prides itself on minimizing waste and maximizing the use of every part of the fish. Nothing goes to waste, a testament to the industry's commitment to sustainability and responsibility. To preserve the tuna's freshness and quality, the sections undergo a rapid freezing process. This is a critical step in ensuring that the fish retains its natural taste and texture. This flash freezing method uses extremely low temperatures to freeze the fish quickly, locking in flavor and preventing the formation of large ice crystals that can damage the meat's texture. By freezing the tuna at such low temperatures, we ensure that the fish remains as fresh as the moment it was caught. This crucial step ensures that the tuna remains in peak condition throughout its journey to becoming canned tuna. The rapid freezing process is essential for maintaining the high standards of quality that consumers expect. It's a race against time, with freshness and flavor hanging in the balance. Every second counts in preserving the tuna's natural qualities. The frozen tuna sections are carefully stacked and stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, ready for the next stage of their transformation. These warehouses are meticulously maintained to ensure optimal conditions for the frozen fish. This meticulous approach to freezing and storage ensures that the tuna's quality remains uncompromised, even after weeks or months. Regular inspections and strict protocols are followed to maintain the highest standards. From the moment the tuna arrives at the factory to the day it reaches your pantry, maintaining its freshness and flavor is the top priority. Every step of the process is designed to deliver the best possible product to consumers. When ready for canning, the frozen tuna sections are thawed and prepped for cooking. This is a delicate process, as improper thawing can negatively impact the texture and taste of the final product. The tuna is then loaded into large specialized cookers. These cookers are carefully calibrated to ensure the tuna is cooked to the perfect temperature and time, resulting in a firm, yet flaky texture. The cooking process is not as simple as just boiling the tuna. The cook time and temperature are crucial factors that directly impact the final product's flavor and texture. Master cooks with years of experience carefully monitor the process, ensuring the tuna reaches the optimal level of doneness. They understand that the perfect cook is the key to unlocking the tuna's natural flavors and creating a delicious and satisfying canned product. Once cooked, the tuna is cooled and transported to the cleaning area. Here, skilled workers meticulously remove the skin, bones, and any remaining dark meat, ensuring that only the highest quality, light meat makes it into the cans. This labor-intensive process is a testament to the commitment to quality control in every step of canned tuna production. Each can is a promise of a pure and delicious tuna experience. The cleaning process is a blend of technology and human expertise. While machines assist in removing larger bones and skin, the final inspection and cleaning rely on the keen eyes and nimble fingers of experienced workers. They meticulously hand-check each piece of tuna, removing any imperfections and ensuring that only the finest, most desirable pieces make it to the next stage. Section 6. Hand-packed with care. The art of filling a tuna can. The clean tuna pieces are then hand-packed into cans of various sizes. This careful, hands-on approach ensures that each can is filled consistently, providing customers with a uniform product every time. The weight and arrangement of the tuna in each can are carefully controlled to meet strict quality standards. While automation has revolutionized many aspects of food production, the packing of canned tuna remains a largely manual process. This is because the unique shape and texture of tuna pieces require a level of dexterity and judgment that machines cannot replicate. The hands of experienced packers, guided by years of practice, ensure that each can is packed with precision and care. Section 7. Adding the finishing touches, liquids, and the final seal. Once filled, the cans move along the conveyor belt to the next station, where they are filled with various liquids, such as water, oil, or brine, depending on the desired flavor profile. Each liquid imparts its own unique taste and texture to the tuna, catering to a wide range of preferences. The addition of liquids helps preserve the tuna, extending its shelf life and ensuring its quality over time. After the liquid is added, the cans are hermetically sealed using specialized machinery. This airtight seal is crucial for preserving the tuna's freshness and preventing spoilage. It creates a barrier against oxygen and bacteria, locking in flavor and ensuring the product's safety for consumption over an extended period. Section 8. Safety first. The sterilization process. To ensure safety and extend shelf life, the sealed cans undergo a crucial step: sterilization. The cans are subjected to high-temperature steam in a pressurized chamber. This process eliminates any harmful microorganisms, making the canned tuna safe to eat for years to come. The sterilization process ensures that every can meets the highest food safety standards. The sterilization process, while essential for safety, also plays a role in developing the final flavor profile of the canned tuna. The heat from the steam further cooks the tuna, blending the flavors of the fish and the added liquid. This creates the distinct taste and texture that consumers have come to expect from canned tuna. Section 9. From factory to shelf packaging, distribution, and your kitchen. This section delves into the fascinating journey of how canned tuna makes its way from the factory to your kitchen. After the sterilization process, the cans are meticulously cooled, labeled, and then carefully packaged to ensure they remain in perfect condition. These packaged cans are then boxed and shipped to various warehouses. From there, they are distributed to supermarkets and grocery stores across the globe, ensuring availability for consumers everywhere. From the fishing boats that harvest the tuna to your kitchen pantry, the journey of canned tuna is a remarkable testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of providing a nutritious and convenient food source. The next time you open a can of tuna, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process and the many hands that made it possible. It's a journey that involves precision, care, and dedication. The journey of canned tuna doesn't end there. It continues as it becomes a key ingredient in the kitchens of chefs, home cooks, and food enthusiasts around the world. These culinary artists incorporate this versatile ingredient into countless recipes, showcasing its adaptability and flavor. From classic tuna salad sandwiches to innovative sushi creations, the possibilities are endless. Canned tuna continues to be a staple in kitchens worldwide, cherished for its convenience and nutritional value. This humble can proves that good things truly come in small, convenient packages, making it a beloved choice for many.